Today, I'll walk you through how to fix Snapchat storage full, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your Snapchat storage so you can enjoy using the app without interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essential to access your memories and settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Memories section. You can do this by tapping on the small circle icon located just below the camera button. Memories is where all your saved snaps and stories are stored. Now, if you have a lot of snaps saved, this can take up a significant amount of storage on your device. It's similar to having a closet overflowing with clothes. Sometimes, you need to declutter to make space for new items. To free up space, make sure to download and back up any important snaps you want to keep. You can do this by tapping on the snap, selecting the download option, and saving it to your camera roll. Once you've backed up your snaps, go ahead and delete them from Snapchat. This will help clear up storage and improve the app's performance. Another option to consider is upgrading to Snapchat Plus. This subscription service offers additional features, and one of the benefits includes enhanced storage management. If you frequently use Snapchat, this could be a worthwhile investment. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. App interfaces can vary based on updates or device types. Just follow along with the steps and you'll be just fine. In summary, managing your Snapchat storage is essential for a smooth experience. By backing up your snaps and considering an upgrade to Snapchat Plus, you can ensure that you have enough space for all your favorite memories. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.